Dito lang sila ang tulungan. Saan pa kayo nang galing? Sample muna, sample. Nanakatakot pala doon, laki. Tanggal. Galing pa sila doon. No? Parang Chinese mascot natin ngayon. Galing pa daw sila doon. Yan, may sample pa. Galing doon, nagmotor lang sila. Galing doon. Grabe. May sample ba kayo?
Hindi po, sample.
Sample daw. May sample. May sample daw sila. Parang burger, may music daw sila. Sa sample. Kids, meron prepare na sample sila Kuromi at Roblox sa inyo. Ayan. Ay, hindi yan. Wala pa yan. Hindi pa yan. Wag yan. Hindi yan kasali. Mamaya yan. Okay, so I guess ready? Ready na ang sample. So kids, panoorin natin, no? Prepare na information ni Kuromi at Roblox. Alright? So let's watch this.
Pag ko, para din may wala. Andun sa gilid.
Lapak yung mga kamay.
They got a gas in an emergency. Run for the taste, addicted to a golf one smile and spite. Maybe I rip it off from a slug in the face. Under the pistol toes of big grandma, yeah, I'm a fan all day. Do me that favor, cause I like your flavor. My man is way. I'm into your major. Sweet and so flavor, that's good for this play in my hood. Now we later go back like a major. Pretty much, you give me a sugar rush. So I'ma give me one of the person when you rush. Feels like a fella won't be touched. Honey, that's what's up.
Ayan. Nalaglag na po.
Ginamit.
Ayan. So, salamat po. Sige po. Thank you. Galing. Galing. Uy, isa pa.
Go!
Uy. Galing ah. Salamat po. Okay, alright. So at this point, no? So we will still have another intermission number, no? Kaya mas galing sa ating mga kasamahan from Logistics Management Division, okay? So, okay lang po ba? Sila Roblox at dito muna tayo sa...
Hello.
So si Kuromi at si Roblox ay mag-iikot-ikot lang, no? So kung gusto niyo magpa-picture, kaya so go lang. Sige po, let us welcome our Backstreet Boys from Logistics Management Division. Ayan, so let's give them a